An attorney for a man tased by Palm Bay police multiple times says a West 2 investigation contributed to the city attorney dropping his charges.
The police encounter last June left Thomas Farley paralyzed. Investigative reporter Justin Shecker has an update on Farley's condition and new information about the officer who tased him.
On the ground! On the ground!
The tasing of Thomas Farley multiple times by a Palm Bay police officer in June 2024 left him paralyzed from the neck down.
I'm paralyzed now. I can't put my feet. I promise you I'll get up on my neck.
Farley's mom and civil rights attorney Ben Crump made a passionate plea in late October for prosecutors to drop the criminal charges against Farley so he could get into the proper rehabilitation center.
I've been here feeding him, and it breaks my heart. The boy's 32, and he doesn't even want to live.
A statement from Palm Bay's police chief at the time said, after an extensive review, it was determined that the officer legally and justifiably used his taser. The officer followed departmental policy, procedure, and Florida state statute. According to a deposition by Farley's public defender in September, the officer had previously been disciplined for violating the department's taser policy. The transcript says it was resolved with a 120-hour suspension and 12-hour course. More than 6 months after Farley's arrest,
well, I got no crime.
The 18th Judicial Circuit State Attorney's Office filed a notice that will not prosecute Farley for loitering, resisting, and drug charges. Natalie Jackson is the co-director of litigation at the Crump Law Firm.
The delay in his rehabilitation and treatment was very egregious while he had to wait for these charges.
Since the charges were dropped, Thomas Farley was able to go back to his home state of Georgia to enter a rehabilitation center. His attorney tells West 2 investigates Thursday morning he had complications that required him to go to the hospital.
Without your news story and the fact that you reported about Mr. Farley's medical condition and the decline in his medical condition and the need to go to rehab and being turned down from rehab because he has these criminal charges, I think that was definitely instrumental in getting these charges dropped.
That story aired the day before Farley's charges were dropped on January 9th. West 2 investigates learned the officer who tased him is named in a separate excessive force federal lawsuit. It stems from this December 2022 takedown of Scott McIntyre that sent him to the hospital.
Keep your hands on the car.
I put my hands on the car because I wanted to.
Keep your hands on the car.
Man, is that a lawful order?
Stop.
What are you doing,
Stop.
man? What are you guys doing to me?
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Attorney Jackson is praising McIntyre's attorney Daniel Faraday.
So attorneys who take these cases are really kind of heroes to the American public because what they do is they protect all of us and all of our rights.
For West 2 Investigates, I'm Justin Shecker.
West 2 Investigates again reached out to Palm Bay police for comment but have not heard back. Jackson says the Crump Law Firm is working on a federal lawsuit on behalf of Thomas Farley.